This is Smart Window. Smart Window is a window that allows you to change its color and opacity. We designed it with indoor photographers in mind, knowing that lighting is of utmost importance to them. By adjusting the color and opacity of the window, photographers will be able to achieve their desired lighting. Existing applications might recommend certain lighting techniques or give tips for exposure, but the photographer is still limited by the surrounding light and camera's ability. Our app gives a photographer the tangible solution to fix a myriad of lighting issues. The first task a user does in our app is sync to a window. The user enters the code displayed on the window into their phone. After they are finished, they press sync, and then they are now connected to the window. We implemented this using a bidirectional manner, where the companion app communicates with the device using pins and sliders. The second major task a user can do is change the color and opacity of their window. Our initial implementation used a color picker instead of sliders. However, through user testing, we figured out that sliders was the way to go, as a color picker was a little unclear. Our user testing also showed us that having a set button makes it a lot easier for the user to know what to do after they're done choosing a color. After pressing set, the user gets feedback that their color is being updated on the window. We also wanted to add a social aspect to our app, which is why we added the Share a Window feature. As you can see here, a fellow photographer is having a hard time taking pictures. However, the first photographer shares his window with Casey by pressing the share button and entering her username into the box. After sharing, the first photographer has a notification that his window has been shared with Casey. We implemented the notification system using pins. We realized that notifications are a quick and easy way of providing user feedback to both the receiver and the sharer. Now that Casey has access to the window, she wants to change its color. Instead of changing the color from the app, she changes it from the device. The bidirectional communication is displayed here, as she is changing the sliders on the device. And when she is done and presses sync, her changes will be reflected back on the app. We used a combination of polling and pins for implementing this part. It was a bit challenging. Our app provides photographers an easy way to fix their lighting issues. Future endeavors could be to add favorites, upload images to Windows, and add locations. We designed an app that pleases our users, and we hope it'll inspire photographers everywhere.